Okay, first graders, today we are going to again practice showing what we know about what numbers mean and be able to write and model and explain different numbers. So let's do some practice work together. Okay, I am going to show you a number using my base 10 blocks, and you are going to see if you can tell me what number it is that we are looking at. Okay, so we're going to start a little simple. Okay. Okay, first of all, when we see a stick, what number do we see? Look, think, speak. 10, that's right. Okay, we can go through and we could count each of the individual boxes or blocks that make this up, and we would count that there are 10. Now, remember when we draw that, we don't need to draw all 10 of the little squares hooked together. How do we draw it? Just a stick, that's right. Okay, so we call it a 10 stick. Okay, so let's add some more blocks and let's see what number we have here. Okay, look, think, speak. 23, good. 2 10s and 3 1s. Okay, that is 23. Again, if I were to go count each of the little boxes I see, I would be able to count 20, 1, 2, 3. Okay, but we don't need to count the individual boxes. When I see this, I can just count by tens. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, look, think, speak. 58. Okay. When I am showing bits, I try to show them in groups of 5. The way our minds work, it's pretty easy for our mind to spot a group of 5. Anything bigger than 5, our mind starts wanting to try to count. So when I can see the 5 in a row, that helps me count it faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So we have 5 10s and 8 1s. 58. Okay. Okay, let's try another. Oh, and actually, let's count that together. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. Okay, now I'm going to add to this what number do you see now? I'll give you just a second. Okay, look, think, speak. 75. Is that what you got? Okay. Okay, but I only see 6 10s. So here I see 6 10s and I see 15 ones. But if I write it out that way, 6 and 15, oh, that looks like 615. And do we have 615? No. Okay. So the first thing we always want to do when we're looking at a model is see if we can make a group of 10 of anything. Okay, so we start on this side, we look at our ones. Can I make a group of 10? Yes, I can. Okay, I made a group of 10. And then we always count our tens, including the one we made. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, or 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so then we do see 75. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. Okay, that makes sense? Okay, let's try another one. Look, think, speak. 57. Is that what you got? Okay, so this one I did this way because I wanted to remind you that when you are counting, you have to keep the same things together. Okay, so we would want to count our, first of all, we look to see if we can make a group of 10. Can I make a group of 10 here? No. Okay, so there's no groups of 10 to make. And then we look at our largest group first, which is our 10. So I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Either way, I need to do all of the 10s, and then I can come back, do 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. Okay, so that is our 57. Okay. Okay, what number do I have here? Look, think, speak. 100. Okay, and you know what? The rule still applies. Can I make a group of 10? Yes, I can put these together, and I have 10 tens. Okay, so 10 tens makes 100. And then aside from that 100, there are 0 extra tens and 0 extra ones. When you get 10 of something, you can hook it all together. Okay, so if I start adding to that, I see 10 tens. If I add one more, I now still have 0 extra tens, but I have 1 extra 1. Okay, I could go on and say 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109. I'm going to stop right there. So now I have 109. Okay, one group of 100, 0 extra tens, and 9 ones. You can also see here that it looks like it says 10 tens. But what it's really telling you is I made one group of 100 and I have 0 extra tens left. Okay. Now if I wanted to add another 1, so here I'm at 109, if I add another 1, what did I just make? I made another group of 10. So did it change the fact that I have one group of 100 made out of 10 tens? No, I still have one group of 100. But now instead of 9 ones, I am able to put them all together and make a 10. And I have no extra ones. But I can continue to add on. $100 and $110, and one more would make it $111. Another would make it $112. Another $113. Another $114. Add another one, 15. Add another one, 16. Add another one, 17. Add another one, 118. Add another one, 119. And if I have 9, when I add another one, I just made a group of 10. So I still have my group of 100, but now I have 2 extra groups of 10 and nothing left over. 120. Okay? So keep working with understanding how numbers work and the patterns, and have fun learning. See ya!